Fast Lean Pro, your ultimate weight loss solution. Are you tired of struggling with weight loss and feeling frustrated by ineffective methods? Look no further. Fast Lean Pro is here to revolutionize your journey towards a healthier and slimmer you. With this powerful weight loss supplement by your side, you can finally bid farewell to stubborn fat and welcome a more confident and vibrant version of yourself. Before you review Fast Lean Pro, I have an important warning for you. There is only one official website authorized to sell Fast Lean Pro. Buying from any other website may lead to regrets and potential issues. To assist you, I have provided the official link in the description of this video. Simply click the link below to be redirected to the official website of Fast Lean Pro. What is Fast Lean Pro? Fast Lean Pro is not just another ordinary weight loss product. It is a cutting-edge and scientifically formulated supplement designed to expedite your fat-burning process. Our team of experts has carefully selected natural ingredients that work in synergy to support your metabolism, control your appetite, and ignite your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. The key ingredients behind Fast Lean Pro's success. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3. Niacin plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and helps in converting food into usable energy. It aids in supporting a healthy metabolism and promoting overall well-being. Vitamin B12 is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system and the production of red blood cells. It also plays a role in converting food into energy, which is beneficial for those on a weight loss journey. Chromium is a trace mineral that contributes to the regulation of blood sugar levels and helps improve insulin sensitivity. This, in turn, may aid in controlling cravings and managing appetite. Fibersol 2 is a soluble fiber that helps with digestive health and promotes a feeling of fullness. By keeping you satiated for longer periods, it supports weight management and aids in curbing unnecessary snacking. The secret to Fast Lean Pro's effectiveness lies in its well-researched and potent formula, combining the power of these key ingredients. By targeting fat cells, increasing thermogenesis, and optimizing your body's metabolic rate, Fast Lean Pro ensures that you shed those extra pounds faster than ever before. It works tirelessly to help you achieve your weight loss goals, ensuring a slimmer and healthier you in no time. Key benefits of Fast Lean Pro. Rapid weight loss. Fast Lean Pro's powerful blend kick starts your weight loss journey, enabling you to witness significant results in a short period. Increased energy levels. No more feeling lethargic throughout the day. Fast Lean Pro provides a clean and sustained energy boost, keeping you active and motivated. Appetite control. Say goodbye to impulsive cravings. Fast Lean Pro helps you gain control over your appetite, making it easier to stick to a balanced eating plan. Enhanced metabolism. A boosted metabolism acts as your ally in burning calories, even during moments of rest, making weight loss a breeze. Improved focus and mental clarity. Thanks to Fast Lean Pro's unique formula, you'll experience enhanced focus and alertness, keeping you on track with your fitness goals. Fast Lean Pro stands apart from the competition due to its dedication to excellence. Our product is backed by extensive scientific research, and every step of its manufacturing process takes place in FDA-approved facilities. With Fast Lean Pro, you can trust that you're receiving a safe, effective, and high-quality weight loss solution. Every bottle of Fast Lean Pro comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. If you are dissatisfied with your results for any reason, simply return the bottles, no questions asked refund. So, what are you waiting for? Visit the official website now. Thanks for watching.